Hello everyone, I am Maheshwari Assistant Professor, Department of BSc Information Technology at Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to explain about augmented reality versus virtual reality. Both technologies which will create an immersive one from the real world. So, what is AR and what is VR? In augmented reality, it is a technology that overlays digital contents like images, text, or animations from the real world. The AR enhances users' perceptions of the physical environment, combining real world objects with digital elements. For example of AR technologies are in gaming side we can use Pokemon Go game, whereas the players see digital Pokemons in their real time surroundings via their phones and phone screens. In VR, it is a fully immersive experience that isolates users from the real world and places them in completely simulated to digital environment. In VR often uses various devices in order to feel VR experiences. These are all VR headsets and Googles to create the illusion of being inside the virtual world. Example as it is a 3D virtual world that can explore and integrate with Oculus Rift or PlayStation VR. How AR will works. To improve AR technologies, we need input devices. These devices will helps to capture an objects from the real world. It may be a building or it may be an environment, whatever it is. It will helps to capture all the things from the real world environment. That is the work of input device. In AR, it requires various devices such as smartphones, tablets, or special AR glasses. These devices have cameras and sensors that detect real world surroundings. So basically, cameras and sensors are the basic inputs which detects real world objects and translate those objects into augmented reality applications. Enhancement of reality. AR layers digital informations on top of the real world, allowing the users to see both real and virtual content simultaneously. It is tracking and interaction purpose. The devices and sensors such as cameras and GPS track real world movements to adjust the digital overlay in real times. Example, Snapchat filters uses AR to add playful filters to people's face in real time. AR-based navigation apps provide step-by-step direction on the screen as you walk in the real world. The best example for AR technology is also a self-driven car. This technique implements the real world objects which we need to capture against our while we are driving a car. This is the best example which can be implemented by Tesla company. But how AR will works? In order to work out AR techniques, we can implement in various fields. For example, in training as well as in gaming, education, in various fields, retailing, e-commerce applications. So all over it is, we can use AR techniques in order to demonstrate for in the final product model. This AR technique also helps in retailing applications. How VR will works? In order to feel VR applications, we can wear VR headsets. These devices like Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and PlayStation VR are commonly used to create an immersive virtual experience. These headsets completely block out the real world and replacing it with a computer generated environment, simulated environment. VR system use stereoscopic displays to present 3D world, often combined with 360-degree visuals and audio. The user feel as though they are physically present in the virtual environment. Motion tracking, headsets and sensors detect the user's head's movements, adjusting the virtual view accordingly to maintain the immersion. Some systems also use hand controllers for interaction with virtual objects. Examples are VR gaming. We can use a number of VR based gamings in digital environment. These will This will provide an immersive experience to the players. Basic difference between AR and DR. AR enhances the real world by adding digital elements. The user remains aware of interacts with their real surroundings. Generally requires simpler hardware. For example, smartphones and tablets through which we can access AR applications. But in VR, it replaces the real world entirely with a digital immersive environment. The user is isolated from the physical world, often fully engaged in virtual experience. So it requires specialized equipments like VR headsets and motion controllers. Comparisons with AR and VR. AR is an advancement of VR techniques. AR is often used to enhancing everyday tasks like navigation, shopping, education, etc. In VR, it is used for immersive experience like gaming, simulations, and training, etc. By comparing AR and VR, it can also be used in various fields, and it will helps to create an immersive experience in the from the real world itself. So we can easily navigate how the applications will motivate, or how the that implements that impacts will be placed inside the real world applications. Thank you.